Today I'm going to show you how to resize a design if you have the Educator Pro version of Canva. So I made this as an example of a home page for my Canvas classroom. And once I embedded it, I realized that it would probably have been better if it was landscape oriented instead of portrait oriented. So I have a couple of different options. I could just copy all of this content and then paste it into another file that's oriented the way I need it to be. But sometimes you just really need to change the entire size and rearrange the elements. And instead of starting a new file and being on the struggle bus, you can just come up here to Resize. Now, with Resize, you can either choose one that they've got selected as a suggested, which for this one, I would want to do 11 by 8.5, just like flip it on its edge, right? But what if you really needed it to fit something specifically? You can come over here into this custom size and you can change it into what you need it to be. So I know that I'm just using one that was already set. Well, let's just make it square, like just for kicks and giggles. I'm just going to make it a square, 11 by 11. Now, once you've put in your new size that you need, and you can even change the unit of measure, just FYI, you can come down here to copy and resize. It'll keep your original and it'll create a new file that's in the right size, or you can just resize this design. Most of the time, I just resized this design because I don't need a copy of it anywhere. I just goofed and picked the wrong size to begin with. So I'll come over here and resize this design. Now what happens is it's going to do its best to just create a different size canvas, but you're going to notice that some of this stuff is going to be off a little bit. So you do actually need to come in here and you'll have to move around your elements, resize things, realign things. But it's usually not that big of a deal to do that. So anyway, but that's how it's done. And now this file is going to be in the size that I prefer it to be instead of the size that I accidentally made it. Hope that helps you in your designing process.